Welcome back to my crypto channel. Today is an important day, because the animal farm reopens again after being on pause for 6 weeks. Forex has done a fantastic job. He managed to migrate all the pigs tokens to a new contract, and we will soon be able to earn pigs and dogs tokens again in the piggy bank. If you are not already in the piggy bank or the drip garden, earning 3% daily, check out my link below. But that's not why I'm making this video. I just claimed some profits from my drip account to invest in Grinch Bucks. This is a brand new miner that pays out 8% daily in BNB. It just launched 3 days ago, so we are still very early. The developer of this miner is called Baby Grinch. He is the owner of the Dripaholics app, so he has a reputation to defend. If you are into drip, then you must have seen this drip calculator. It shows you how much you are earning with drip, and where it will take you in the future. It's a super helpful tool, and I will drop the link to the calculator below. It's a good thing that the creator of Grinch Bucks is well known in the community, so he has no interest in scamming people, and his presence gives the project a lot of credibility. The Grinch Bucks website looks simple, just like all the forks of baked beans that popped out lately. This is a great time to get in as the platform is only a few days old. If you got into baked beans from the start, then you would be sitting on a mountain of cash by now. The earlier you get in, the more miners you get for your money. It works like this. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the contract, put in any amount of BNB and compound for 6 days and claim on day 7. This looks like the winning strategy for many players. If you follow this strategy, and compound your investment, you will receive your initial back in 6 to 8 weeks. You will not make 8% every day if you only claim. You need to compound regularly and put money back into the contract. If you only take out, your payout will go down fast, and it will be hard to get out your initial. There are many of these miners or farmers, whatever you call them. There's baked beans, BUSD, prop farmer, and some other forks. Baked beans has been doing very well. I also got in baked beans, but I only invest money that I earn from other DeFi platforms. This is play money, or risk capital. These miners are high risk, high reward. Be careful when you get involved, and always keep an eye on the balance to see if the contract is still growing. If the contract goes down fast, it means that whales are taking out more money than flows in. That's a sign that the platform will soon go to zero. Never put in money that you can't afford to lose, and do your own research. I will leave my referral links for the miners and farms below, so if you enjoy my content, please use them as a way of thanking me and supporting the channel. It will be much appreciated. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, or join my Telegram group to find out about the latest dapps first. There are some nice people in the Telegram group, and we all like to support each other. Don't forget that all this is not financial advice. I just show you what I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below or contact me in my Telegram group. Please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.